Word up, yeah. Bitches on my dick cause they know I'm the king. Bitches on my dick cause I'm the king of the ring. Bitches on my dick cause they just see me flowing. Bitches on my dick cause like an Energizer Bunny, bitch my dick keep going. Bitches on my dick cause the flow never stops. Bitches on my dick cause they always on my cock. Bitches on my dick cause that man stay looking at that kid whether he in the Bronx or Brooklyn. Bitches on my dick by any means when I'm bopping down the block chilling up in Queens. Bitches on my dick cause they see that the flow always keep going, and like a stop sign I know that shit. And bitches on my dick cause they see I still go. Bitches on my dick so that man flow. Bitches on my dick cause the man look at me, that man is shook. Bitches on my dick cause I like to do it. Bitches on my dick cause just like Nike, nigga I was pursuing me. Bitches on my dick cause I rock my hat to the back or rock it to the front. Bitches on my dick cause when I beat that pussy they losing their lacial fronts. You know what they hear? Bitches on my dick because the under-love is mother. Bitches on my dick because I love my brother. Bitches on my dick because I bring the drama. Once more, bitches love my dick. Why? Because I love my mama. Bitches on my dick. What? Bitches love my dick. I switch the flow around. What? Bitches on my dick. Bitches on my dick because the flow is so lethal. Bitches on my dick, I'm out my wings like an eagle. Bitches on my dick because they see I just keep it going like Victoria. You'll know it's not a secret. Bitches on my dick cause they know I'm just illin'. Bitches on my dick cause the beans be spillin'. Out the fucking pot, what the bitches just be chillin'. Underdog be coming through and so I just be illin'. And bitches on my dick, cause no matter what they do, they ain't never fulfilling. Peace.